Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So solve this inequality and draw the number line that illustrates the solution. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, your eyes should zoom into this block here. You can see it's a negative. Well, the first thing you should do is add 2x squared to both sides. So take the 4 down and then add 2x squared on this side. This will be so on the right hand side it will still be 10. Here, take away 4 from both sides. So on the right hand side it will be 6. This will be 2x squared. And then divide both sides by 2. So x squared is less than or equal to 3. Okay. So when you are here, try to understand what's going on here, because maybe you can try and visualize or sketch this somewhere. Y equals x squared here. Well, let's say 3 is here. 3 is here. If this here would be, by the way, this here would be root 3. This here, hang on, this here would be negative root 3. Now, if you select a number, let's say 0 here, let's select 0. If you put 0, if you select this point here, dead on 0, if you select x to be 0, if you put it into here, then 0 squared would be 0. So, and then you're saying that the statement 0 is less than or equal to 3. So that's a good thing. Okay, so 0 is good, and it turns out that if you select anything in this region here, it will be good. But anything on the outside, let's say 10, 10 is bigger than root 3. So if you select 10, if you select a number 10 and put it into here, 10 squared is 100. You're saying the number 100 is less than or equal to 3, which is not true. That statement is not true. So any number on the outside here will be bad. Anything on the inside will be good. Okay. So wait there. So when you get to this stage, x squared less than or equal to 3. So inside your mind, in a way, you square root both sides in a way. So hang on. So square rooting 3, it will be root 3 here, and a negative root 3 here. Okay, and then here you can't tell if this region is good or if this and this are good. You can't tell. So what you do is you hang on. You select a point anywhere. I normally select 0 and put it into here. If you put 0 into well, 0 squared will be 0, and then you're saying that the number 0 is less than or equal to 3. So it is a good statement. So this 0 is good, and it turns out that if you select anything in here, it will be good, but anything on the outside here, it will be bad. Okay, so your diagram would look like this. Hang on, let me just clean this up. Your diagram would look something like this. Well, it should look like this. This is less than or equal to. So you are allowed to include the negative root 3 and the positive root 3. So we've discovered that anything in this region is good. So your solution here would be this. Okay.